Hi friends, I am Harinath. I am representing To Make a Difference Team Ad, a registered NGO, and I am here at Secunderabad Tanda. I am in front of the Daiva Krupa Orphan Children Home, and I am here. Today is 12th August 2012. I am here with my other colleagues, Kishore, who is operating the camera, and Divakar Reddy, and we visited this place around actually April second week, and we actually got few requirements from this orphanage founders, Mr. Lokesh and his wife Parvati, and we actually we had earlier video depicting the particular requirements. Now let me actually see and exhibit what we have done with the contributions from all the donors. See, this is what we have done. Earlier when we were here, it was not in a livable condition. It was full of rocks, and you can't even walk properly. But now we actually got this big gate done, and the ground, you see that this ground is flat. We actually incurred around 65,000 of Indian rupees just for the getting the mud to level it, and then we had other labor expenses and other things, and also we got the board done. Where is the one? This is the board, and you can see the water. The switchboard here, the switchboard, and other thing that we promised was toilets for the kids. So we got 2 bathrooms and 2 toilets right here to the right of me. Okay, and to be particular about this ground leveling work, actually the ground was at least 7 feet down. So we filled at least 7 feet with the mud that we got around more than 200 tractors of load. 215 I guess, each one costing around 275 rupees per trip. Then there are some other expenses as well around it. And then that is what we actually planned for them. That is what they requested for us with us, and we got them that. But then additionally, this is a dining hall, a nice hall for which can accommodate most of the people. It's like a mini conference hall around this place. You can see that the references to us, the team ad, this is to make a difference. You can see that president, the names of our representatives here, myself Harinath, then Prashanti, Challa Shivaji, treasurer, and then our important key volunteer here is Kishore Kumar, apart from me. And then this, you can see that inside, this is how it looks like. Actually, Rotary Club has donated 20 of these benches. There are 20 benches of this sort for this orphanage, and you could see the kids enjoying having a light mood here. Hi. Em peru mani peru? Maria. Nee peru nama? Ganesh. Nee peru? Savani. Savanti. Very good. So we have one more thing. We will come to the kids. I am good. How are you, Jansi? I like your song. Adapillanamma. You understand? నీ పాట చాలా బాగుందమ్మా. నువ్వు ఆడపిల్లనమ్మ అంటే పాట పాడితే చాలా బాగుంది పాట. We have one other thing. Hold on. Yeah, this is the inauguration related stuff. We had a small session here, very interesting exhibiting session, and with local leaders and other donors here, and we got that strong commitment that they will be able to take care of this orphanage going forward with their recurring expenses and maintenance related stuff. The other thing that we are done with is that couple of water tanks. Couple of water tanks here for storage purpose. You can see on left of me a couple of water tanks, and this is for storage of it. Other thing is that we also got some pipeline laid out from their existing water well to this place, because the bore well that we got it done here, actually it doesn't, the capacity is not sufficient. So apart from that, what we got is that we got this cylinders, LPG connection. This was one important thing that actually really helping them. Otherwise, they always needed to use firewood. We got double cylinders for them, so they will never be running short of gas. So then also we got some pipeline laid out from their existing well. Okay, pipeline laid from existing well to this place, and then importantly with the help of Kiran and Arun of Haritavanam, they actually contributed for plantation. You could see that this plants here, as well as around this wall, around the boundary of this, in total you have around 36 plants, and most of them are fruit based. Then some of them are flower varieties. So we have flooring done. Okay, and also we got the flooring done into this rooms, and you could see that here. See, earlier we actually had this structure. If you look at whatever you're looking at right now, those rooms were actually existing. They were existing before. We did not it was there, but we helped them with getting some flooring done. And you could see that this is really like we'll have a small walk around this place. You could see the plants here. Okay, we had a lunch sponsored by Mr. Dr. Jagdish, right? Jagdish, Doctor. Lunch chair. Yeah. So he is a doctor in Mahbubabad. So he is sponsored for the lunch today after this event. And see here, this is some small gardening kind of stuff. They have what do you call this? Gongura, vegetable stuff actually, leafy things. And this is tomato. And now you have, I think this is Mosambi, right? Mosambi? Yeah, Mosambi. And this is watermelon,
Mango.
This is mango. This one is mango, yes? This is also mango. This is also mango. Then we have some flower varieties, the small ones.
Mallepu, idi nimbu. Nimbu,
okay. This is the lemon one. Adi mallepu?
Okay.
Okay, that's fine. And you could see that jama, the name in English, no? Jama in English, no? See, this is a problem, if English is not your mother tongue, then you always look for words. And you have other plants as well. This is also mango. I don't think so. Support it, okay? It is ganner. This is batai. Then you have coconut trees.
ఇది కూడా జామేనండి.
ఇది కూడా జామేనా? ఇది జామా? ఇది నేను చెప్పింది ganner. Right? And this is a small thing that they earlier had it in the old place and they moved it here.
Storage tank.
Yeah, the storage tank. This actually they had existing. This is an existing one.
Replaced.
They moved it from their old place to this place. Right? You can see that coconut plants. That is sapota. Sapota, then coconut. I have a list of items. I have made a note of number of items as well. The total cost we actually gave them is 3 lakh rupees. Earlier in my April presentation, it was actually 1.8 to 2 lakhs. That was the estimate, but we actually built the additional thing is the dining hall, plus we also got some water storage and other things, and so we actually needed to incur cost of 3 lakhs. And I especially request and thank all the donors for your kind contributions. It has been wonderful contribution, and without your support this could not have been possible. It's an amazing thing that we are providing a bright life for these guys, because now many people are coming forward to take care of these kids. Many people are coming forward to take care of further investments or whatever is required. Mr. RDO actually I think it was a parallel thing that happened along with us, that he is sponsoring for a loan of I think 5 lakh rupee for dairy farm. which could probably, like, if Lokesh and Parvati, his wife Parvati, if they can manage it well, then they can actually, like, it will become a self-sustained model, and where they can actually, because I can see that with 5 lakh you can make a lot of difference. Personally, I have small dairy farm at my native place, and I invested around 1.5-2 lakhs, and my parents are self-sufficient. So here I guess it should be able to help them out. So I again, thank again on all the volunteers from Team Ed, each and every donor for coming forward and for your generous contribution. Thank you so much.